Craig, welcome. Let's start with Coinbase. What do you say about the stock?
Well, there's no question that the stay-at-home bubble here for Coinbase has popped, but I don't think cryptocurrencies are going away. And clearly, we're seeing shares of Coinbase that are very oversold. You're down over 70% since the IPO. And at this point in time, with it being as oversold as it is, earnings coming tomorrow, I think a lot of the bad news is pretty well priced into this stock. And I'd be looking for some sort of indication that the lows have been set.
You'd be looking for an indication that the lows have been set. And typically, what does that take? A number of days or a certain type of rebound in the stock?
I would like to see some sort of downtrend reversal in the stock, at least shorter term, to say that the lows are for sure in. And again, we're so oversold that when the earnings numbers come out tomorrow, things would have to really be very bad for this stock, I think, to take a whole nother leg lower, again, because so much is already priced into this. I think there's been 7 straight downgrades on this stock just in the last month. So again, another evidence that a lot has been priced in, at least fundamentally and technically. It's too early to say that the lows are in. You want to see some sort of indication that you're getting a change in the chart to start to turn higher.
Your thoughts on Exxon Mobil, down today, but obviously the beneficiary this year of rising energy markets?
Energy is where it's at this point in time. It continues to be the best performing sector along with basic materials. And these are areas that we're overweight at this point in time and recommending to clients. When I look at the chart of Exxon Mobil, I've got great relative strength. I've got the downtrend reversal happening on the chart. And I continue to like what I see with Exxon in here. I would also just note that any sort of move from here, well, I should say the next move from here really sets the stock up for a move back to 104, which is your 14 highs. So I think at this point in time, Exxon is one you want to hang on to. And I think you've got a nice dividend of 4% to get paid while you wait here for this stock. And again, with nice cash flow. So Exxon is one definitely to own.
Before we get to your final name, do you have any perspective on why, as a group, energy is suffering so much today?
I think it's suffering today because we're seeing some profit taking coming into this. When you talk to a lot of investors, they have not wanted to move away from some of their growth holdings. And you had seen energy move up. They were hoping for some sort of quick sell-off. They're getting it at this point in time. But I think it's just purely profit taking. You know, Ty, when I go back and I look at the longer-term charts in energy, we're literally reversing downtrends we have not seen since 2014. Big long-term downtrend reversals and little shorter-term setbacks like this. I think there'll be opportunities to buy energy, not sell it.
So on that note, as people, still are trying to stick with what's working, Clorox was a name that was initially struggling post-pandemic. It's working today. What do you say about the stock?
Well, when I look at the chart of Clorox, and I put up a very long-term chart going all the way back to 2009, we've broken the long-term uptrend in that particular stock. We have also seen over the last, 18 months, we've been in this sort of downward trending price channel, making a series of lower lows and lower highs. The relative strength versus the S&P has also turned lower. It's up today, but for me, this is not a stock that I want to be buying in this market. This is a stock for me that I would like to be selling on any sort of break below the 145, 150 range. And it's going to take a big move above 173 to reverse a longer term downtrend. This is, again, one of these sort of stay at home stocks that I think it's already burst. And it looks like we're going to get more downside in this. So even though it's up, I would be using this strength to be selling Clorox shares.